Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Onlys. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can delete the emails in bulk. Firstly, you need to open the Gmail on your device. Once you open the Gmail on the device, then you can see the bulk of emails on your Gmail account. So, what you need to do to delete all the emails on the bulk is, suppose when I select the emails I want to delete individually, then this may take the lifetime. So, what you need to do is on the top here, you can see a small box. So, you need to simply click on it, and on this drop down box, you can see a lot of option here. It is said if you want to delete all, then you can simply click on all. If you want to delete only read emails, then you can select read. If you want to delete the unread emails, then select unread. Likewise, if you want to delete the starred one, then click on starred. Or if you want to delete the unstarred one, then you need to click on unstarred. For now, I'm simply clicking on all because I want to delete all these emails in bulk. So here is the delete icon. You can see, simply you need to click on this delete icon, and you can see that this 8 conversations have moved to trash. So those emails on the trash will automatically be deleted after the 30 days or few days. So in this way you can easily delete the emails in the bulk. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.